Ready, Kylie? Look. I'm gonna make him die today.
Hey guys! Welcome to a new video.
Wait.
Today we're going to be playing Animal Jam. While my little brother's playing a different game on his computer.
Yeah. And today,
he's going to be making
he's like playing the game where he's like killing someone.
Graham.
Okay, guys.
So, what's going on is that we're just going to be playing a little bit of Animal Jam. And to see what's going on. See who. And my friends are online here. I have a lot of friends nearby. A lot of people.
Just hurt a little bit.
I wonder why I couldn't get up there. So our goal today is to make some new friends. See what goes on. Okay, so let's go over here. My little brother's playing a really weird game.
It's gonna get even
Let's
weirder
try.
as I go.
Let's see. Every cone.
I would love to do that.
Everyone jump on the
games.
ice. Is what I'm saying. Ready? Not howling. Look. It cracks ice. Amazing.
Graham, stop, I can't see. I'm the one that's supposed to be playing. No, I am the one that's playing.
Oh, wait, just click. Oh, wait, you don't have it anymore. So I'm trying to help out my little brother with this.
Wait, am I helping him right now?
Great job.
Just point that up, Brian. Got it. Point the gun up. Just one shot. Look, now everybody's gonna be jumping and make the crack even bigger. Now let's go visit the wolf den.
Good job.
Oh, what a... Oh, that was cool.
Why would I... Kylie, why would I hurt an innocent lady?
I don't know. Thanks. Point the gun up. Point the gun up.
You're supposed to go down and then up.
Huh, there. You go.
Oh, gosh.
No, let's just take the shortcut.
That wasn't hard at all.
Oh, here it is. Hey guys, welcome me in here.
Let's go make a video.
I'm gonna.
The mess.
To see a spirit.
What? Why you playing?
Spirit wolf.
Check out there. The gun.
Yep.
Where shows the last guy?
Ones.
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna survive this. I'm not gonna survive this. What did I tell you?
That
Look at all the furniture. Okay, so yeah, not enough for any of these
There we
things.
go.
Good job. But I'm gonna go to a game.
Happy room. This is happy room. Wow. Honestly, do not know what to do in this game. Oh.
What?
Okay, you know what to do in this game.
Yes, I love this game.
What?
Play like 3 rounds of this.
This?
And then I'm gonna have to go.
To if she's picking up some food for us.
I'll call her in a second, okay?
No, do it right now. Let's do it right now.
Well, I think that this is going a bit slow.
Today I'm gonna bring your camera.
Oh, Graham.
Let's go your video.
Why is this going so slow? Oh, guys. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to go because this video. But anyways, I'm gonna have to go because my thing's being so slow. But I'll see you guys later. Adios.
Amigos.
I'll see you later.